Let's go for the next question, question number 9. So in the figure, AB and CD are the diameters of the circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OA is equal to 7. So what they told is they have given the circle like this. So in this circle, so there are two diameters like this, and they are perpendicular to each other. So if these are diameters to each other and perpendicular to each other, obviously bisect each other. So let it be that point is not needed here. And one more thing they have given is here. This is a circle. So here what they mentioned is the radius of this circle. So let us take this as A, B, C and D. So and what they mentioned, OA is equal to 7. So this center O here, OA is equal to 7. Obviously this is also 7, this is also going to be 7, this is also going to be 7. So this is the shaded portion, and there will be a triangle like this. We need to calculate this region and this region. Very easy, by looking at the figure only we can tell. First we can calculate the semicircle area, the circle area, and we have to take the semicircle area. From that we need to eliminate this triangle area. So triangle clearly was showing that. So this is a perpendicular, this is the base, and it is the height. So what is the concept is here? First, so semicircle area radius first I am taking, that is 7/2, since I need to calculate that area. And the bigger semicircle area, not semicircle, smaller circle area is 7/2, and the bigger semicircle area also we need to find. For that the bigger semicircle radius is 7. And one more thing, what is that? That's it. So first I am calculating area of smaller circle. So what is the area of the smaller circle? Pi r square. So 22/7 into radius is 7/2 into 7/2. See, look at here. Here it is 7. So the radius of this one is what? 7/2. Like this you will get. So 22/7. 7 will be cancelled. So 2 1s are 2 11s are. So this will become 77/2. So centimeter square. Next, what we have to calculate is area of bigger circle. So what is the area of the bigger circle? So bigger semicircle. So this is the bigger semicircle. From the triangle we need to eliminate. So what is that? Of the pi r square of the 22/7 into radius is what here? 7. Am I right? Yeah, radius is going to be 7 into 7. 7 will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 7s are 77 centimeters square. So we got both. Now area of the triangle. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height clearly. Half into base is what? This is 7, this is also 7, 14. Height is what? 7. 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 7s are what here? 49. Now area of shaded portion or shaded region is equal to area of that smaller circle. I am not writing completely. Area of the smaller circle plus area of the semicircle minus triangle area. So one is 77/2, one is 77 minus 49. So this will be 77/2. 2 3s are 6, 17 left, 2 9s are 18, 39 points. Right, 2 3s are 6, 17 left, 2 8s are 16.5 plus 77 minus 49. So this will be 77 minus 49. How much 77 minus 49 will be? It will be 28. 38.5 plus 28. So this will be 66.5 centimeter square. This is about the area of this triangle. Once again I am telling you. So here they given this circle, so we need to find this shaded region and this shaded region. For that, first of all we have to calculate this circle area. So already this is 7 and this radius will be 7 by 2 it will become. So keep that aside, and we need to calculate this area. For that, this semicircle area I can calculate. From that, this triangle area I can eliminate. How can I eliminate triangle area? This is the perpendicular. Why? This is perpendicular to each other, these two. Obviously perpendicular means what? This will become height and this will be the base.